and see the life of ordinary people. The village people's early morning starts with feeding their domestic animals. In Uzbek rural household, cows, sheep, and chickens are lovingly raised. The products they provide, milk, eggs, and meat, come from their home. Village men starts feeding the animals, and village women start making bread. For dishes made from dough, it is always necessary to sift the flour because bread made with sifted flour turns out very sweet. Straw is the favorite food of domestic animals. Since there is no grass in winter, there are no conditions to feed the animals in the field. Bread making begins with dough preparation. Young and old work in the village. Everyone has a job to do. In order to heat up well, you need to put a pot on the tandoor. Now the women divide the dough into pieces. Now the dough is rolled into a round shape. After giving a round shape, it is necessary to rest a little. The longer the dough rests, the more beautiful and sweet it will be. Now the bread is shaped. All this is done by hand. Tandoor is ready to bake the bread. Water is applied to the dough before the bread is baked, otherwise the bread will burn and stick. A little water is sprinkled on the baked bread so that the bread becomes shiny. From the smell of sweet bread, the neighbors are also visiting. They have breakfast together with the host. Delicious tandoori bread is ready. It is difficult to describe the smell. Now we will have breakfast with the neighbors with fresh bread. Hot tea, hot bread and good company of village people. There is such high spirits mood in every house here.